Thank God to see another day. It's Monday morning. I'm revive the pool party shootings. Yeah, me ready now. Can me see the man pan the ground so I can't talk. On a dirty cheesy cocky man. No found no cocky cheesy. Cause I don't have no personal hygiene. I no kick on the arm, kick like Van Damme and Bruce Lee. And at night time when I no come a dance, when I take out no gun anywhere and make anybody see it. And it's very disrespectful and intimidating. Last week I long hair dressed to impress, one man there ground. Yesterday I Christy pool party. One next man they are going. If you can't maintain party, you stay on a bomber blood clot yard. I'm in a response who wants to see me and puff that chest. I can't make me tell you something. Oh, God bless no man curse. I'm going to tell you some pussy grey. Yeah, grey pussy gangsters all who want class blood clot me. Me class myself first and tell you some my pussy grey. So any blood clot thing you want tell me, because I have no secrets. I'm going to sell pussy. I'm going to let no fuck off another blood clot. You know, may I defend my bomber blood clot right. May I defend my bomber clot safety. May I have my grandbaby and my 5 pitney them. Me no go dance fair run from gunshot on a fuck off and stay on a blood clot yard. Nobody no want to in our party, you know, damn dog shit, you know.